This is Aqua. Completed in 2009, this 82-story skyscraper is one of the most incredible additions to the skyline of Chicago in recent years. That's a hard thing to pull off in a city with stiff competition like the Hancock Building, the Sears Tower, and the Wrigley Building, but Aqua manages it with style. The first place your eyes go to when looking at Aqua is, of course, the incredible undulating balconies. Created by pouring concrete into reusable, flexible steel forms, no two balconies are the same. The lead architect, Jeannie Gang, was inspired by limestone outcroppings along the shores of Lake Michigan, and it's an ideal reference for its position right along that same lake. Not only do the balconies look beautiful, they have structural and social functions as well. The irregular exterior created by the balconies actually helps to break up wind forces on the structure. This reduces building sway and helps to improve comfort for the over 400 apartments and 200 condominiums located within. Additionally, the balcony's unique shapes can actually help residents on separate floors to interact with their neighbors in ways that they otherwise wouldn't be able to. Shockingly, this is actually the first skyscraper designed by Studio Gang and its lead architect, Jeannie Gang. They certainly made quite the splash, though. Not only is this structure LEED certified for energy and environmental design, it won the 2008 American Architecture Award and the 2009 Emporis Award for its innovative designs. And on top of all that, Aqua was, at the time, the tallest building in the world designed by a female architect, a title which it has since lost to its neighbor, the St. Regis, also designed by Studio Gang and its lead architect, Jeannie Gang. All in all, Aqua is a fan favorite building amongst Chicagoans and tourists alike, and it's a beautiful reminder that art and architecture, science and design can all come together to create a building that's beautiful inside and out for the entire world to enjoy, and it helps solidify Chicago as the architectural capital of the world.